Hey everybody, checking out this wheel horse here. Got it all cleaned, well, got it cleaned up about as much as I'm going to clean it. I don't think I'm going to paint it either. I'm just going to leave it like this. It looks industrial, let's put it that way. Found a couple things. I don't know if this is factory or not. Somebody's cut this with a torch right here. And also, this lever right here has been welded. I may have broke off, or maybe that is factory, I don't know. Also, it's got this hub on this side, and it's got this hub on this side. So sometime in its life somebody changed the hubs out, and everything's moving along here nicely. Found this oil in the crankcase here. Looks like it had some moisture in it. And I'm going to replace that, of course, or make something. But got the axle mounted. That's nice and tight now. And I don't know what I'm going to do about the exhaust yet. It sounds okay, and it's not rusted out or anything. I got a feeling it's going to be tough getting that off, so I don't think I'm going to try. So, well, alrighty, that's it. We'll see you later. Thanks for watching.